Hi, this is Jolene. I'm Jolene. Hi. This is my first video like this, so it's kind of a testy thing I'm doing. But some of you may know me from Ink Happy. I have a blog where I share lots of free printables, and I get into graphic design. It's definitely one of my loves, and so I do that. But I have some bigger loves even right now, and one of them is beauty. I'm really into beauty. I love to get boxes in the mail of fun stuff, and I have subscriptions to several, so I want to share some of that with you. And also, anyway, I love watching these videos, and so because I love seeing what other people get, I thought, well, maybe I could share some of my things and maybe you'd enjoy that. So anyway, I'm gonna do an easy video today. I've got my February 2023 Boxy Charm, and I've watched several videos, and I took a sneak peek into mine already, and I think I've got a different version than I've seen anyone else get. So that's a little different. So let's dig in. Okay, here we go. They always give you a card that tells you what's in the box. This month, we didn't get a list of what's in the box, so I don't have prices for you, but they do say epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you all about it. So I don't know what that is. I hope it's good, but I worry it might be something that I might not be happy with. We'll see. But I can't wait to get, they say it's the biggest beauty news of the year. So we'll see when that happens, right? Okay. So they did give us a pink card, which is kind of Valentine-y, but it doesn't look like I have a lot of other stuff that looks Valentine-y in here. The first thing I'm pulling out, and I have to admit, when I saw this, I was a little disappointed because, oh, it's just more sponges. But actually, I use sponges a lot, so I don't know, maybe I'll like these. I saw someone who used them, and they said they really liked them. They were really soft. So let's see what we got here. Okay. They're kind of a green and white marble. I kind of like that look. And they are really soft. So anyway, that was my first thing. The second thing I got was a little surprising. I haven't received one of these in my boxes, but it's something I buy often. It's a spongelle. And if you don't know what these are, they are little flower sponges that smell so yummy, and you use it in the shower. It lasts several showers, and the one I got is my absolute favorite, which is Apple Blossom. See right there. So anyway, I'm excited to use this. In fact, I need a new one in my shower right now. Okay, so the next thing I'm opening here is from Rare Beauty. I don't have anything from Rare Beauty, I don't think, and I've always wanted to try some of their stuff. So this is their foundation. So, and I was actually pretty happy to get this. I think this color is gonna work well on me. So we'll see. It's got, let's see. I like this, and might be a little light, I don't know. It feels real smooth going in. Wow. Can't even see it. Blended right in. Okay, well, I'm excited to use this. And the next thing I have here is from Iconic. It is a mascara, and I happen to have loved this mascara. I've had it before. So I'm kind of excited to get this. I didn't see this on the month. I didn't see it on the list of things for the month. So I don't know. This just got thrown in, I guess. So anyway, it's got kind of a thin, firm wand that really can get in and separate and lengthen the eyelashes. So there's that. The last thing I got in here, and I'm pretty sure everyone I've seen so far has gotten this. It's Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. I am not sure if I have this. I'm gonna have to go check. I may already have this palette. I know I have some things from Beauty Bakery, but I actually like this palette. Some people thought it was really boring, but it's some of the colors that I like, and it is pretty neutral. Let's see here. Get a good look at that. Let's swatch. Let's do this one, and this one. And let's see what we got here. There you go. Looks like they coordinate well. Rice pudding, that's like a light, kind of a whitey pink, but I kind of like it. There's that. And it's got like a taupe. They all have fun names. Rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spiced caramel, mango pudding, almond jelly, warm cocoa, and what's that one? Nana pudding. So anyway, that's kind of fun. So that's the palette. So I got the palette, the Spongel, the Iconic mascara, the sponges, and the foundation. So maybe I'll be able to try all these on and send a recommendation whether I like them or not in another video. I do have my FabFitFun box, so I'm getting ready to share that. I'm really excited about that. I wanted to start with a shorter video. That's why I did the Boxy Charm. But I've been getting Boxy Charm for years. I love it. I rarely have to buy makeup unless it's something I want or need, which happens. But it's just nice to get and try new makeups. And a lot of times you can get quality things for not very expensive price. So there's that. And back to kind of the reason why I want to do this channel. I'm going to share my beauty things, but I'm also going to share, I love a good bargain. I love decorating. I would like to share some of those things and me opening boxes. I'm always out for a good deal and like to keep up with current trends. So I will be sharing that. When I was a teenager in high school, my friends nicknamed me Miss Accessory because I always had to have shoes and earrings and purses and things that match. So I've always kind of had it in my blood with fashion. In fact, I managed a clothing store for several years in my younger days. So I've had a lot of experience in that. So I think I just had it in me that I wanted to just really give this a try. So I hope that you'll stick around with me and see what else I have to share. So hit that subscribe button. I'm just starting out, so I need all the help I can get. Anyway, but I appreciate it, and thank you for putting up with me this long. And we'll see you again with a FabFitFun box. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.